Test Track 3.0 was here, and we were lucky enough to get a pass holder preview today.
Now, if you were not able to get that pass holder preview, it officially opens July 22nd, which is just right around the corner.
So come along with us as we check this update out and go on a Test Track adventure. This is kind of cool. I like it. It's definitely a more modern take on the area.
Open.
Yes.
Well, I guess that used to be the center one. It just feels more open.
Yeah.
It's been a while since we've been here.
And I like kind of the way the line curves too. This was like a reimagined model of this thing. No, that's the original one. And now the real line begins.
Belt securely fastened, and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle.
And now, we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Whoa, nicely done!
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
Third row. Fancy.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Fancy.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Test tracking.
Watch out!
I told you, I got this.
Right. Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Oh, that's so cool.
Let's go.
Rush on the brakes here.
I know, right? we got done with Test Track, and I have to say it's good to have it back.
Yeah, I definitely agree. I mean, it is just another like revive of it. It's pretty much the same exact layout, just updated.
Yes, and the update actually, does a good job. It brings into like, modern times and as far as the technology, so it's kind of nice in that regard. I will say parts of the ride felt a little bit faster to me. I just don't remember it being that fast in some of the indoor sections, but the outdoor section was pretty much exactly the same.
Yeah, pretty much. One thing about the queue though, I mean, you no longer get to design your car, so like that element is done. You're no longer like competing.
Yeah.
So I think the queue lost a little bit of its, I don't say magic. It wasn't
maybe
really a magical
uniqueness.
moment. Yeah, uniqueness.
Yeah,
I like that.
was a unique thing for the previous version, because you got to make it, design it, and that was like your own little thing, especially for kids.
Yeah.
I know they definitely love that part.
Definitely, and it ate up time. So like you're just now waiting in line, and you're just waiting.
Yeah,
There's
just
really
more like a
nothing
standard
entertaining.
queue. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
there's that.
So I guess I would say downgrade on that one then. I agree with you on that.
Downgrade on the queue, upgrade on the ride.
Yeah.
100%.
Queue definitely looks nice. It's modern, it's open, it's winding, but now that Jim brings it up, yeah, I think that is an overall downgrade.
Yeah.
So, well, thank you for joining us. We really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.